Hi and welcome to Studio Biku. This is my studio in Tokyo, and today we're going to be doing some more gel printing projects. We're going to be using the old gel prints that you have in stock that you can't quite throw away, but you want to use them for something. Never be without a gift again. You can just rustle up one of these boxes either without a lid or with a lid. I'm going to show you both. And you can just make some cookies, or you can put some tea or sweets in there, and you've always got a gift on hand. So simple, right? This is pretty much a free project. So all you need are some old gel prints. I'm sure you've got lots of those in your stash, or even just some decorative paper, some glue and some scissors, and that is it. You're going to take two of your favourite gel prints. Now we need two because we're going to make it double-sided to give a little bit of reinforcement to the box. I'm just using some of this blue coloured pit glue, which dries absolutely clear. You won't be able to see it when it's dry. And I'm only adhering it to a square of it because we're going to make a square piece of paper in a second. Once you've stuck the papers securely together, it's ideal to let the paper dry a little bit before you start folding it, but I went straight in. This project requires a squared piece of paper, so you're going to cut a little rectangle off the edge and make it into a square. An easy way to make a square is just by folding the corner along to the straight edge, and then you're going to cut along that line. After all the folding, you can see you have a square in the middle. That is the base of your box, and now you're going to fold in your corners. This is the only tricky bit of the project. You're going to fold them in a kind of V shape on both sides, and then you're going to make the flap fold into the base of the box to give it the structure you need. You don't even need any glue at this point. You can put a little extra glue if you like, but it's absolutely not necessary. It's a really strong structure. Now do the same on the other two corners of your box and make nice sharp corners, and then fold the flap down into the middle of the box, into the base of the box, and then you have a completed box. Hi, it's me again. I'm just popping in to say I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It would really help. Also, if you want to be alerted of what's coming up, just hit the bell. Now we're going to make a lidded box. It's exactly the same folding pattern as the one we just made, but we're going to do single sheet instead of double sheet. So it's the same way to make your square, just by folding the corner to the straight edge and then cutting along to get the rectangle off. Just like before, it's exactly the same. There's just one little tiny difference that you'll see in a moment. So now we're preparing the square for the second part of the box. This bit is going to be the base of the box. The main difference between the top and the bottom is the bottom needs to be just a little bit smaller so that you can fit the lid on the top. So here I am just trimming off 2 millimeters or so of paper on each side to make the square just a little bit smaller so that the lid will fit easily. And now you have the lid and the base finished. As you can see, when you lay them side by side, the right hand side one is a little bit smaller so that it will fit snugly inside the lid. And there is your finished box, ready to pack with some tea or some cookies or some treats. I chose to put some tea in mine. It's perfect size for herb tea bags and would make a lovely gift.